Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'll be reviewing Storify, which is a product that I really like myself. I'm going to show you a live demo of this software, how it works in the backend. But basically, in a nutshell, Storify allows you to record your voice. Then it's going to get a transcription for your voice, or you can upload your voice. It's going to create a transcription, and for each word, you can add cards to your word, and those cards are creating a story. Now, the easiest thing is to just show you an example that I created so you can see how it works. So let me play this story for you. To get started, you can record your audio inside your browser. If you already have existing audio, you also have the option to upload it directly. The software will now analyze your audio and automatically create an audio transcript. In the transcript, you can select any word to add a story card. So do you see what happens here? It automatically adds, not automatically, it adds cards to the words that you define in the backend. So here you have a whole story. So here I say about URLs, about CTA buttons that are part of the upgrades. So for example, here, when I fast forward here, and you can see when I fast forward, it goes through the story with my voice. So everything that I pronounce here, the story automatically moves forward with my voice here. There's a cool image of me, and also call to action buttons. Now you can embed these story files. This is one of the upgrades if you like to embed it. But these are best optimized for mobile as well. So you can share this on Messenger. You can share this on mobile really easy. You can try it out. There's a link in the description of this video. Here, when you scroll down, this is my website. When you click here on this image or on this link, you can check it out yourself. Also, by the way, if you decide to pick this up through my link, here you can see, by the way, the funnel, the pricing of this product. You're also going to get my extra bonuses. Now, this is a very cool bonus. I've talked to the vendor and I said, I don't like to have logos on my story here, made with story. I never like that. What I managed to do here is that if you purchase this through my link, I'll make sure that the logo will be removed from your story. And this is a unique bonus. I'm going to email you the instructions on how to get rid of that logo. But if you purchase this through my link, you will not see your logo on your story. So keep that in mind. And you're also going to get all these other bonuses mentioned here. So make sure to check out the link. Now, how does it work? Really simple. To create a new story, you click on Create New Story. Now, from here, you have the option to record your voice in the browser, or you can upload your own audio. So let's record something in the browser. When I click this here, it says start recording. Now, then it will show a countdown where I can do a recording. So let's see this here. Hey, this is Tim, and this is my recording for the demo that I'm showing right now. In the demo, you can add cards and images, and also you can highlight parts, etc. This is my demo. So you can pause and I can continue, or when I click here on OK, I can give this a name. So review recording. Now when I click save here, it's going to create a transcription for my voice. You can see that in here it says preparing for transcription, sit back and relax while your audio is transcribing. Now this takes a little while. I think it will cost about a minute depending on how long your voice is. And here you can see, hey, it's ready. And here you can see the review recording. So I can play this. Hey, this is Tim, and this is, so you can see this is the one that I want to use. And here are all my previous recordings. So I'm going to select this one, and look what happens in the next step. It automatically transcribes my voice that I recorded inside of my browser. Now, from here, you can add all cool options. So for example, hey, this is Tim. So when I select Tim, I have these options: a URL, a quote, a highlight, a definition here, an image, a profile, a list, or a CTA. This is one of the upgrades, by the way. So when I say, hi, this is Tim, I can click on image here and I can upload my own image. So when I do Tim Verdouw, for example, I'm going to search my computer for Tim Verdouw. I'm going to take this profile picture And boom, now it's going to add this image to the storyline when the word Tim is being pronounced. And I can also give a caption if I like. So I can do Tim Verdouw here. So it will have a caption here on this, and I can click on submit. So I can do multiple things here. So when I say recording, for example, I can say highlight. I can say recording is an audio file from my voice, something like this. Do you see this? This will be highlighted. When I submit this, now when I pronounce the word recording, it's showing this part of what I just added here as a card. So every green part is a card that I'm adding to my story. So for example, here, demo, when I select demo here, I can say, for example, I want to have a definition of a demo. So I can say, hey, demo, a demo is a blah, blah, blah. And I can do a definition in here and submit this. Now, this is basically what you saw in the example that you can also see on my website. And it is very cool. With Storify, you can make explainer stories like I did. You can do so many things. So you simply highlight something in here, and then you can add all different kind of things. So if you want to have a list here, you can say Storify allows you to add, and then you can say, for example, images like this here, bullet points, highlights, etc. So you can add more. When I submit this, look at this, boom, Storify allows you to add. So the longer you're recording, for each word, you can simply add all these things. So we have quotes, we have highlights in here, we have definitions, images, profiles, lists, call to action. So this is one of the upgrades actually. So get Storify here. And then you've got the link, https timverdouw.com. I'm going to submit, and boom, then there is a link. Now, when I click on next here, you can give your story a title. So review demo here, and then you can give this a chapter if you'd like to, and a password protect. Now, this is one of the upgrades as well as the music here. So you can choose from music files as well if you would like to have music on top of your voice. In this case, I'm going to set this to 0. And as you can see here, this is an image. Now you can upload your own image as well. So when I do, for example, nature here, I can upload this image to here. And then it will use this image, or maybe I want to do something differently. I can upload anything I like here. So in this case, let me upload myself here like I did with the other one. So I've created here, I think this is the one here, this one here. Now this one will be used for my story, as you can see. And here's my story. This is a short story, but you get the idea. So when I save draft, I can publish this here, or I can save draft. So I'm going to click save draft. And now when I click on this story here, look at this. This is the story. Now let me play what we just created. Hey, this is Tim, and this is my recording for the demo that I'm showing right now. In the demo, you can add cards and images, and also you can highlight parts, etc. This is my demo. And then the call to action button here, and boom, people can click on that. Here you also have the options to like, dislike, give hearts. Also, people can write comments on your stories here, and people can also scroll through your stories here. Now, this is all. Let me go back here to my stories in here. You can create all these stories here in the backend. And then here you have the options here to publish this one. And if you already published one, you can see the analytics here. So when I open this, you can see the total views here, the total likes, dislikes, hearts, etc. And there are more options here. You get a share URL with reaction. Or you can get an embeddable link. Now, the embeddable link is one of the upgrades, but the share URL, you can get these with reaction or the normal share URL, and you can share these on social media, everywhere you like, through email, wherever you like. And it's a very simple product, but I really like the power of it. I really like how this looks like. Look at this here. You can simply make explainer things. You can sell things. You can add your products in here and make it really... this is a cool one, isn't it? You can make it really engaging, and then people can purchase your products. You can even do a image with your link, etc. So that's in a nutshell what Storify is all about. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. And again, check out the link in the description of this video. If you get this through me, you can get access without having the logo, the Storify logo in your player. I email you the details once you've purchased this. And thank you so much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up if this video was useful. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of product reviews. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.